Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing, and today I had bring a very interesting topic to all teachers and trainers: how to create live and recorded video lectures on Zoom. Please understand this, at these COVID-19 situations, we all have to train our students online with the platform. Although there is a lots of issue related to Zoom, but if you taken certain precautions like on the meeting that I will tell in the presentation, and then you record. The first step, that you go in the Google, type the Zoom. There will be a Zoom meeting app will be there, and you just go in the next step. You find these kinds of icon, that is download center Zoom. So in the second you just click on this download center Zoom, you will get this third window, that is Zoom client meeting. So you will go to download this app. This again you run this entire Zoom application on your laptop or desktop. Then going ahead, on your computer screen you find here a Zoom icon. You just click on this icon, you will get these kinds of window. Here if you have not created account yet, then you go with a sign in, and then create an password, and then ID and password, and then go with the new meetings. So once you go in the new meetings, then you go in the next step, you will getting these kinds of window, and in this window you find there are various things has been written here. So there is an option like a mute, stop. So if you want to mute yourself, you can mute. This is when you are going in the meetings. There is an option like an manage participants. Then there is an option like an chat, share screen, record, reaction, and end meeting. These are certain. If you don't want to show your video, then you can just click here on stop video. If somebody is host of the meeting and he don't wants you to speak, then he will tell you to unmute, or rather than if noise gets, so you can unmute, and if you want to participate, then you mute it. These are the manage participants. So if you click on this manage participant, then you will be getting the different how many participants you want to add in that meeting. So you can add hundreds of students in their participations. With this manage participant, the link will get generated, and you share that link to your students so that you can share your live lectures. In the third important step, there is one option here, share screen. So whenever you want to run the presentation, you just click here on share screen, you will get these kinds of window. You just open your presentation, minimize your presentation. There are so many options that will get here. So you want to show the presentation, so I had selected this one, and then there will be a share, and these share options once click, then it goes to a next window, and you will get these kinds of window that I had shared this PowerPoint presentation to all my class. So mute, stop video, we had already discussed. Manage participant, this is my meeting ID. You can stop share also with the screen, so this is a screen option. Then very important, then you can pause the share also for certain. You can use the marker to explain certain things during the presentations. And in the more, there are certain things here, it's very important if you want to record your entire video lectures. Then apart from even directly you can record these kinds of lectures without adding any participant. If you want to upload same video on YouTube, that also you can do. Here there is an option like a stop recording, start recording. So Alt R is an shortcut keys, or you can just click on this. So you will be getting the start recording options. Once you start an recording, or you can share directly screen, your lecture simultaneously get recorded, as well as it has been shown to all participants where that has been added by you. Then in the next, there is an in the manage participant there is a these kinds of window: invite, mute all, unmute all. So these are the options available for the host. So you can mute all if you, whenever you are speaking only you, then you can mute all, and whenever the participants wants to interact with you, then you can unmute all. These are also options are available. So during sharing the screen, you can scroll your videos up and down. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can bring this video down or middle or at the top also on the computer screen, and then you will find these kinds of window. And there is an option with an end meeting. So your recorded video will only created after you end the meeting, and this, once you end the meeting, then convert meeting recordings options will come. So it will automatically convert your entire video into an MP4 format, and you can play this video. So this is an way you can just see how the recordings happens on the Zooms, and with the same way.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic product life cycle. There are 4 stages under an product life cycle. First stage is the introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. So in these 4 stages, we will see how there are different stages each is having.
You can share entire, you can record an entire lecture. Later on, those who are
all these 4 stages of PLC. Thank you for watching.
You can just then
the video.
Share same video to you, to the participant, those who are not able to attend the meeting. So these are the steps where you can record your lectures as well as live the lectures. In the short, we'll see the live things. As you, once you download the things, then in the directly I am showing you the live new meetings. Then this will be get connected, join with computer audio. These are the things. Share screen option will be there. If I will share the screen, then there will be these kinds of options will come. If I run this entire presentation, then this also you can see how I am just doing. So like this, I can run the explain these entire things, and then I can stop the meeting. These are the stop share option is there, and record option is also there. If I had started recording, then these are the things, and I can stop the record and end of the meeting. So end meeting for all, and this will once again my record has been came, and this file is get automatically recorded. I hope you understood how to record the video lectures as well as live lectures. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK Business to get all the details videos that I am uploading continuously for the students as well as teachers. Thank you.